Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by building the flavor base immediately. Sweat crushed garlic and chopped chilies in 2 tablespoon oil for 2-3 minutes to release aroma. Once fragrant, add chopped tomatoes and 50 g sugar, then bring to a simmer. Stir to prevent sticking and measure temperature so it stays below 95 degrees C. High heat ruins brightness. Make sure to skim foam and taste for balance. You want bright acidity from the vinegar and rounded sweetness before reducing. You continue by reducing the base. Keep a steady simmer for 25-35 minutes until it coats the back of a spoon, stirring every 3-5 minutes. Once reduced, add vinegar in 2 additions to control tang. This preserves brightness. Blend the mixture to a smooth consistency, then force through a fine sieve to remove seeds and skin. This ensures a silky shop texture. Make sure to reheat to 80-90 degrees C after sieving to stabilize before bottling. You finish by sanitizing bottles and heating them to around 80 degrees C. Fill hot, leaving 1 centimeter headspace, then seal to create a short vacuum. Once sealed, cool upright and label with production date. Store chilled in use within a few weeks or pasteurize for longer shelf life. If your sauce separates or thins, don't panic. Rewarm gently and whisk in a small amount of xanthan 0.51% or reblend while hot to re-emulsify. Make sure to test taste and acidity before selling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.